Can you recommend a vegetarian alternative to oyster sauce?
Hello there. Today, we're discussing a great vegetarian alternative to a kitchen staple for many cuisines, oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is known for its rich, savory flavor that adds depth to many dishes. However, as it's made from oysters, it's not suitable for vegetarians. Not to worry, though, because there are excellent plant-based alternatives that replicate its unique taste.
What is a good vegetarian alternative to oyster sauce?
A popular and easy-to-find vegetarian alternative is mushroom sauce. This plant-based sauce is made from shiitake mushrooms, known for their robust flavor profile that closely resembles the umami taste of oysters. The mushrooms are boiled, then simmered with other ingredients to develop a rich, savory flavor.
Can I make vegetarian oyster sauce at home?
Absolutely. Homemade vegetarian oyster sauce is simple to make, and you can adjust the ingredients to suit your palate. Here's a quick recipe. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of dried shiitake mushrooms, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Instructions: 1. Soak the dried mushrooms in the water for at least 20 minutes, until they are fully rehydrated. 2. Without discarding the water, remove the mushrooms and chop them finely. 3. Add the mushrooms, the soaking water, soy sauce, and sugar to a saucepan. 4. Simmer on low heat until the mixture is reduced by half. 5. Strain the mixture and let it cool down. Now, you have a homemade, delicious, vegetarian alternative to oyster sauce. Whether you're vegetarian, vegan, or just looking for a plant-based alternative, there are plenty of options to replace oyster sauce. Mushroom sauce, readily available in most stores, or a simple homemade recipe, can provide the umami flavor you're seeking. Enjoy experimenting with these alternatives in your dishes. Happy cooking!